Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, like I've been saying, I think the next big area to watch out for is this 123% Fibonacci extension. Wave B's definitely can end right there. And actually, now that we got this new high on the daily, we can definitely move our structure up to here, which means that if the daily does decide to go down and break this low, then I definitely at that point would become very bearish, and I would definitely start looking for shorts very heavily on shorter time frames. But right now, the weekly is up, the daily is up, the monthly is up. We definitely want to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think that the most recent structure is right here, and that's roughly a 2 hour time frame structure. So if price does go down and decide to break that, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. But based on the higher time frames, anything I see to the downside, I would assume is nothing more than a pullback within the uptrend, unless we get that significant break of structure. If we do get that significant break of structure, I wouldn't even go short right away. I would wait for the first pullback, and then I would go short on the first pullback. But based on the fact that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, like I said, I assume that anything I see to the downside is nothing more than a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.